Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic that's the foundation of life itself, meiosis and cell division. Have you ever wondered how living beings reproduce and pass on their traits from generation to generation? Or how a single cell divides to form gametes that make new life possible? Well, today, we're breaking it all down. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand meiosis, but also appreciate its incredible role in evolution and genetics. And if you love science as much as we do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Knowledge Chronicle for more amazing content. Let's start with the basics. Meiosis is a special type of cell division that occurs in organisms that reproduce sexually. It's the process that creates gametes, sperm and egg cells in animals, and pollen and ovules in plants. Unlike mitosis, which produces two identical daughter cells, meiosis produces 4 genetically unique haploid cells. This means each of these cells contains half the number of chromosomes compared to the parent cell. And why is that important? Because when two gametes fuse during fertilization, they restore the full chromosome number, ensuring genetic stability across generations. Imagine this. If meiosis didn't reduce chromosome numbers, each generation would have double the chromosomes of the previous one. That would be chaos. Before we dive into the phases of meiosis, let's highlight some key features. 1. 2 rounds of division. 1 round of DNA replication. Unlike mitosis, which has just one division, meiosis has meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. But DNA replication happens only once before meiosis 1. 2. Homologous chromosome pairing and recombination. In meiosis, chromosomes pair up and exchange genetic material, leading to unique offspring. This is why siblings look similar but not identical. And 3. Genetic variation. Thanks to meiosis, no two individuals, except identical twins, are genetically the same. This variation drives evolution and adaptation. Meiosis. Y is all about reducing the chromosome number from diploid, 2n, to haploid, n. Let's break it down. Prophase 1, the most important phase. Leptotein chromosomes condense and become visible. Imagine a tangled ball of yarn slowly unraveling. Zygotene, homologous chromosomes, one from each parent, start pairing up, a process called synapsis. Pachytene, this is the game-changing stage. Here crossing over occurs. Chromosomes swap genetic material at special points called chiasmata. This is why you may have your mother's eyes but your father's nose. Diplotina, the synaptonemal complex, which holds chromosomes together, starts breaking down, but homologous chromosomes are still connected at chiasmata. Diakinesis. Chromosomes are now fully condensed, and the nuclear membrane disappears, setting the stage for metaphase. Metaphase 1 lining up for separation. The paired chromosomes align at the center of the cell, spindle fibers from opposite poles attached to them. This is a crucial step. How they align determines how genes get sorted into gametes. Anaphase 1, the big separation. Here, the homologous chromosome pairs separate and move toward opposite poles. Unlike mitosis, where sister chromatids separate, in meiosis, whole chromosomes move apart. This reduces the chromosome number by half. Telophase 1-2, new cells form. Nuclear membranes reappear, and we get 2 haploid daughter cells. The chromosome number is now reduced, but the sister chromatids are still together. Now that we have 2 haploid cells, let's move on to meiosis 2, which is like mitosis, but without DNA replication. Prophase 2, getting ready again. The nuclear envelope dissolves, and chromosomes condense again. Metaphase 2, alignment. Chromosomes line up in the center, but this time each chromosome is made of sister chromatids. Anaphase 2, the final separation. The centromeres finally split, and sister chromatids move apart to opposite ends. Telophase 2, the birth of 4 haploid cells. The nuclear membranes reform, cytokinesis occurs, and we end up with 4 genetically unique haploid gametes. These will later fuse during fertilization to create a new individual. Now, why does all of this matter? Here's why meiosis is one of the most important processes in biology. Maintains chromosome number. It ensures that species have a constant chromosome number across generations. Promotes genetic diversity. Thanks to recombination and independent assortment, every individual is unique. Drives evolution. Genetic variation is the fuel for natural selection and evolution. Wow, that was a lot of information. But I hope you now have a solid understanding of meiosis and why it's so important for life. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're the result of billions of years of meiosis-driven evolution. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to Knowledge Chronicle for more mind-blowing science content. Your support helps us create more valuable content just for you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring science.